Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about how to grow your own herbs at home. If you've ever wanted to add fresh flavors to your dishes straight from your garden, you're in the right place. Growing your own herbs is simpler than you think. First, you'll need to choose which herbs you'd like to grow. Popular options include basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, and parsley. These herbs are not only diverse in flavor, but also relatively easy to grow for beginners. Next, consider where you will plant your herbs. Herbs can thrive in pots on a sunny windowsill or outdoors in a garden bed. If you're short on space, windowsills are a perfect spot. Ensure the area receives adequate sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours of direct light each day. Once you've chosen your herbs and planting spot, it's time to think about the soil. Herbs are not too fussy, but do best in well-draining soil. You can buy pre-mixed potting soil specifically formulated for herbs and vegetables. Watering your herbs properly is crucial. Most herbs prefer a thorough watering followed by a period of drying out. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so check the soil moisture by inserting your finger about an inch deep into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Fertilize your herbs every few weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. This provides them with the nutrients they need to grow strong and flavorful. However, be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to excessive growth, which may dilute the herb's flavor. Pruning your herbs is another key step. Regularly trimming herbs like basil encourages a bushier growth and prevents them from flowering too soon, which can alter their taste. Harvest often. The more you trim, the more they grow. Finally, watch out for pests. Regularly check the leaves for any signs of pests, such as aphids or spider mites. If you encounter these issues, a simple solution of water and dish soap can often do the trick. And there you have it, a simple guide to growing your own fresh herbs at home. Not only will this save you money, but it will also elevate your cooking. Enjoy the fresh taste of homegrown herbs in every meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.